Today I have some really cool news. It was recently discovered that wounds in the flesh of a fetus, like a cut and bruising that's created by fetal surgery, for example, this can heal without leaving any scar at all. Qualities of the fetus, like the high activity of stem cells and the relatively high rate of cellular division, leads to the tissue being extremely recoverable. It can heal very effectively, and major wounds can be healed cleanly. To be more specific, there's a protein fiber called fibronectin that exists in the extracellular matrix of the fetal tissues, where it forms structures called fibrillar conformations. By working off of this protein fiber found in the fetal skin, researchers at several universities were able to generate a similar fiber that they hoped would help with wound healing and scar reduction. The researchers used a technique called rotary jet spinning, or RJS, to create fibronectin nanofibers, which they then compiled into scaffolds and implanted into the wounds on test mice. By studying how the wounds healed in the test mice, the researchers could see if these implanted fibronectin nanofibers had any influence in the healing process, if they made it faster or better. To their pleasant surprise, they found that these fibronectin nanofibers did both. The nanofibers accelerated wound healing so that the wound closed sooner, and the tissue was restored to a much better quality than just a lump of scar tissue. Furthermore, the healing was amplified for dermal, epidermal, and adipose tissue, or fat. The pictures in the study demonstrating this healing process, they're remarkable. As early as the second day, there was a clear advancement in the healing process of the wounds that had been treated, and by the 8th day, the treated wounds were a quarter of the size of the untreated wounds. At the end of the healing process, the nanofiber-treated wounds left behind a much smaller, much less visible scar. This is, for obvious reasons, very exciting. The researchers touch on the potential of these nanofibers as a medical supplement, saying in their paper, and I quote, "These results suggest that bioprotein nanofiber fabrication via RJS could set a new paradigm for enhancing wound healing, and may thus find use in a variety of regenerative medicine applications." Unquote. Now think about this for a minute. Imagine a future where we can heal some of the worst wounds rapidly and cleanly, with little to no scar formation. That's something that used to come straight out of science fiction, but this technology has the potential to realize that sci-fi dream within our lifetime.